Mechanics absolutely hate these devices because they instantly expose their frauds and save a lot of money from unnecessary diagnosis or repair. I know how frustrating it feels to hand over your hard-earned cash just to find out why a tiny dashboard light turned on. You deserve to know exactly what's wrong with your vehicle. And that's where an OBD2 scanner comes in. It plugs directly into your car's computer system to read that code and show exactly what went wrong in plain English. How cool is that? Today, we're breaking down 5 of the best OBD2 scanner tools that will give you the ultimate power. Please check out the description box for the latest deals on featured products and direct links to purchase. Now, let's find out why mechanics hate them most. Number 5. Ancel AD310 Classic Enhanced OBD2 Scanner. For the person who wants ultimate simplicity without any headaches, this affordable handheld code reader is practically foolproof. It easily reads and clears engine codes, shows live data, captures freeze-frame information, and checks your IM readiness for emissions. It is entirely simple plug-and-play, meaning there's absolutely no app to download and no internal battery needed ever. It is firmly holding its spot as a top bestseller for doing basic check engine light fixes. The freeze frame feature is incredibly useful and almost feels like magic. Think of it like taking a highly detailed digital photograph of everything happening inside your engine at the exact millisecond a fault occurs. It records your exact speed, how hard the engine was working, the exact engine temperature, and so much more. If your car only stutters and misfires when you're driving exactly 60 miles per hour up a steep hill, the freeze frame data proves it so you don't have to guess. The IM readiness feature is an absolute lifesaver if you live in an area with extremely strict emissions testing. Instead of driving to the inspection station, paying the expensive fee, and crossing your fingers hoping you pass, this tells you instantly if your car's internal mechanisms are ready. If it shows a green light, you are passed. If it shows red, you know you need to see a mechanic to fix the issue before you appear for the inspection that you would fail. Number 4. Foxwell NT301 OBD2 Scanner. Stepping into professional-grade territory, this handheld unit delivers live data, enhanced diagnostics, and very simple code clearing. It supports far more advanced OBD2 functions than the basic readers out there on the market. This makes it a really good choice for deeper troubleshooting while still managing to stay extremely budget-friendly. Live data is honestly the most powerful and useful feature you can possibly have when your car is acting strange, but the check engine light has not even come on yet to give you a hint. Sometimes a car will hesitate when you press the gas pedal, or it will shake a little bit at a stop sign, leaving you completely confused. A cheaper scanner will not help you there because there are absolutely no codes to read yet. But with live data, you can plug this unit in and watch the actual numbers changing in real time while the engine runs in your driveway. You can watch the oxygen sensors sweeping back and forth on a graph to see if they are getting lazy. You can check if the engine coolant sensor is working right. A bad temperature sensor will sometimes tell the car's computer that the engine is freezing cold even in the middle of a blazing hot summer. That bad information causes your car to dump way too much raw fuel into the engine, which completely ruins your gas mileage and burns a hole in your wallet. Finding those hidden problems early saves you so much money down the road. Speaking of saving money, if you want to keep learning how to protect your wallet from getting drained, take a second to hit that subscribe button to Valid Consumer so you don't miss out on our future guides. Number 3. Autel MaxiCOM MK808 Diagnostic Scanner. Now we're crossing the bridge from simple code readers to serious, near-professional diagnostic tablets. This Android-based touchscreen device completely changes how you interact with your vehicle. It looks and feels exactly like a rugged smart tablet, and it gives you access to almost every single module hidden inside your car's complex computer network. We're no longer just looking at the engine, we're talking about comprehensive diagnostics that go way beyond basic codes. This is the absolute sweet spot for home mechanics or small repair shops who want professional-level capabilities without spending thousands of dollars. It delivers all the full OBD2 functions, but adds an incredible layer of advanced service resets. When you change your own oil, swap out brake pads, or mess with the steering system, modern cars often need to be told that the new parts are actually there. This scanner handles oil resets, electronic parking brake services, SAS calibration, and even tire pressure monitoring system tasks in many cases. It reads and clears codes across multiple systems, meaning no hidden problems can escape you. One of the most impressive features here is its ability to perform bidirectional or active tests on supported systems. That means instead of just listening to the car complain about a problem, the scanner can actually talk back and command the car to do things. Pricing for this beast typically sits in the $300 to $500 range, though you should check current listings because there are often discounts. And it's available in wireless variants. Number 2. BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBD2 Scan Tool. This wireless Bluetooth scanner that pairs instantly with a free app for Apple and Android phones. It diagnoses your check engine light, ABS brakes, airbags, and over 7,000 other issues that most scanners completely ignore. It reads and clears codes rapidly, forces absolutely no annoying subscription fees on you, and is excellent for beginners who have never touched a car before. It's widely considered one of the most recommended tools for phone-based diagnostics in the entire world. What makes this scanner so legendary and highly praised is the massive intelligent database it uses to help you. Most cheap scanners just hand you a random letter and number code, leaving you to search the internet for hours trying to guess what it actually means for your specific vehicle. This app takes that code, cross-references it with millions of actual repairs done by real certified mechanics, and tells you the absolute most likely fix. It often identifies the exact part needed to fix your specific car model based on real repair data. That completely removes all the terrible guesswork from the situation. You're not just blindly throwing parts at your car and hoping something sticks. You're using hard, proven data to make a very smart and cheap repair. It's incredibly clean, works flawlessly every time, and saves you an enormous amount of time, money, and stress when things go wrong. Number 1. Innova 5610 OBD2 Bidirectional Scan Tool. Taking the crown as the ultimate weapon against massive mechanic fees is a tool that brings true dealership-level power directly to your garage. This device is an absolute monster when it comes to advanced troubleshooting and active testing. It takes the very best features of premium diagnostic equipment and bundles them into a package that makes finding and finishing repairs less of a headache than ever before. The standout feature here is its full bidirectional control. This means you have the power to send direct commands to your vehicle's computer to test specific components on demand. Suspect your fuel pump is failing? You can use this tool to turn the pump off and on manually without taking anything apart. Need to test the electronic parking brake? Just press a button and listen for the motor to engage. It features enhanced live data streaming not just for the engine, but for your ABS, SRS, and even your transmission. It handles special reset functions necessary for complex relearn procedures after you swap out major parts. To make things even better, it pairs with the Repair Solutions 2 app, granting you wireless functionality and massive amounts of repair data. You get free updates for the life of the tool, multi-language support, and access to tech help based right in the US. Pricing varies depending on the specific bundles available, but you will usually find it sitting somewhere in the $200 to $400 range. Considering what a dealership charges for a single advanced diagnostic hour, that price tag is incredibly reasonable. Maximum free fixes. Now that you know exactly what tools to look for, here are some incredibly quick tips for maximizing your free fixes so you can keep your money. You always want to plug the unit directly into the OBD2 port, which is almost always located right under the dash on the driver's side, and turn the key to the on position with the engine off for most resets. Always read the codes first, make a note of them on your phone, fix the root cause if possible, then clear them away. You can also pair cheap ELM 327 Bluetooth adapters that cost around $10 to $20 on Amazon, with free apps like CarScanner ELM OBD2 for an even lower cost option if you prefer using your phone. Always verify compatibility with your specific vehicle year, make, and model right on the product page before you buy. These specific gadgets have helped thousands of everyday people avoid entirely unnecessary shop visits for common issues, matching the spirit of those viral reset videos perfectly. Just remember, if your car has a persistent code that comes right back immediately after clearing it, it is likely a real fault needing actual physical parts or professional help. We want you to save as much money as possible, but safe driving always comes first. You no longer have to live in fear of a little yellow light glowing on your dashboard. By simply keeping one of these incredibly affordable tools tucked away in your car, you take all the power back from the greedy dealerships and repair shops that rely heavily on your confusion to make a massive profit. You become the master of your own vehicle. What's the absolute craziest or ridiculously expensive check story you've ever had to deal with? Drop it down in the comments below because I really want to hear how much a mechanic tried to charge you for something super simple. Subscribe to Valid Consumer right now to keep your wallet safe and stay one step ahead of the repair shops.